National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a special marine warning for Detroit River, Lake St. Clair, Michigan waters of Lake Erie until 10:30 p.m. At 9:02 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing dangerous winds in excess of 50 knots and small hail from 23 nautical miles northwest of Wyandotte to 10 nautical miles southeast of Monroe Harbor, moving northeast at 35 knots. The severe thunderstorms will be near Lake Erie Metro Park Harbor and Detroit River light around 9:10 p.m., Wyandotte around 9:25 p.m., the Ambassador Bridge around 9:35 p.m., Grosse Pointe around 9:50 p.m. Mariners can expect dangerous winds in excess of 50 knots, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass.
This is NOAA Weather Radio Hazard. Station KAC 63 in Southfield. This station. The National Weather Service in White Lake at the frequency of 162.55 megahertz.
The nearshore forecast for the Michigan waters of Lake Erie tonight.